Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up an order form in System. EO. First, log into your account and head to the Funnels tab. Here, you can either choose an existing sales funnel or create a brand new one for your product or service. Once inside your chosen funnel, add a new step and select Order Form as its type. Then, click the Edit Page button to begin customizing your form. This is where your customers will make their purchases. Now, let's make your order form visually appealing and functional. Use the intuitive drag-and-drop editor to add various elements such as text, images, and input fields. You can easily customize the colors, fonts, and overall branding to align with your business. Remember, for smooth payment processing, fields like email and first name are often mandatory, so ensure they are included on your page. Next, it's time to link your products to the order form. Go to the Products tab in your order form settings. Here, you can add your offerings, whether they are digital products or physical goods, and set their prices. System. EO allows for flexible pricing, including one-time payments, recurring subscriptions, or even multi-payment plans. Don't forget to explore options for order bumps, upsells, and downsells to maximize your average order value. Finally, let's set up your payment processing and ensure everything works perfectly. Navigate to your account settings and connect preferred payment gateways such as Stripe or PayPal. Remember to configure instant payment notifications, especially for PayPal, to ensure System. EO tracks successful transactions. Before going live, always perform a thorough test of your entire order form using test card details to confirm a smooth customer experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.